Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually heading out to work, but I wanted to start a new vlog, kind of like a little chit chat with you. So I've been thinking about getting the pack system, the IKEA pack system for my beauty room. I feel like I want to do a little bit more fashion on my channel. And don't get me wrong, I love makeup, and I have drawers full of them. You know, I have a lot of makeup, but I'm actually, I don't know, maybe, you know, when I look at my videos, I kind of feel like the makeup videos doesn't do as well as like fashion and hauls and stuff like that. And even though I love to do makeup, I feel like a lot of the people that watch my videos are really into neutral looks, you know, natural kind of everyday looks. Not really what I, you know, am into. But you know, they do watch, and I appreciate you guys watching and everything, but I just think I want to do something different on my channel. I want to do more fashion, more, you know, get ready with me's and stuff like that, but more towards fashion. Like, yes, I'm gonna show you guys, I'll do a quick look, what I'm planning to wear, or, you know, stuff like that. But going back to what I was saying, I've been looking at the IKEA pack system. I've been looking at a lot of you know, videos on setting up what you like and things like that. So my beauty room is the smallest room in the house, and I feel like it's almost the size of like a walk-in closet, you know, like it isn't huge, you know. If you put the bars, it'd be like a walk-in closet, like it'd be the perfect walk-in closet. But the other thing is that with the IKEA pack system, it comes out a lot from the wall, you know, because if you put your shirt sideways, like that's as far out as it has to come out, making the room teeny tiny. Like I don't know that I would be able to have the distance to film in it, but it's something that I would love to come into that room and be like, look at all my clothes, look at all the colors. You know, I could have drawers for my sunglasses, I could have drawers for, you know, makeup, I can have bags so I can see everything. Like, my thing is I want to see it all. I want to, you know, sometimes I'm looking at stuff and I'm like, when did I get this? Where did I get this? And I don't want that. I want to be able to walk into my closet and put everything on. And I'm one of those people that you would say to them, I never see you repeat an outfit, but I do. I just do it differently the second and third time around. Like, I'm not gonna wear the same top that I wore with the pants, or, you know, stuff like that. But there's so much in my closet that I don't wear because I don't see it. So I'm gonna talk to my husband. Tomorrow's my anniversary. We've been together 25 years, and he was asking me what I want for, you know, my anniversary. I want to say that, but I kind of feel like something for our anniversary should be for us, and I really don't want any of his clothes in there. So I'm gonna mention it. I'm gonna play a video and be like, oh, I want something like this, you know, and then he'll probably say like, Do you want that for your anniversary? You know, that sounds bad. I know that sounds bad, but I really am thinking about it. I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys like the fashion videos, like the haul videos, more than the makeup videos? Or do you know, would you prefer like a get ready with me doing my whole makeup and then I'll just show my outfit at the end? Do you want to see the process of, you know, how it is, the setup and everything, what I'm starting to choose, you know, things like that? Let me know. It's something I'm really thinking about. I have my clothing in like 4 different rooms of the house, and I'm at a point where you're probably gonna say, yeah, right. I want to be able to not have to do a switch in the winter, not have to do a switch in the summer. I want to be able to look this way and that's my summer stuff, and look this way and then it's winter stuff, or just have two, you know, like the master closet, have my winter stuff, and then in my beauty room my summer stuff. Maybe switch it out like that, but not really put it into bins and put it in storage and put, you know, I feel like that's a lot. And sometimes when I'm taking the bins out, I'm like, damn, I gotta get rid of some of this stuff, but I can't. Like, I need all of it. So that's my thought. That's what I've been thinking about, and I just want to know, like, what do you think? Is that something you'd be interested in? And what do you think about the pack system? If you had the pack, if you have it, or you know someone who has it and, you know, they like it, but, or no, they wish they never got it. You know, I don't think I want to do it where it's like, I don't want to have it like custom where it's attached to the walls. Well, I want to secure it to the wall, but I don't want it where if I were to move, if I were to sell my house and move, that I can't, you know, take it with me. You know what I'm trying to say? So I'm off to work. So that's what I was thinking about. This is a very short kind of video, but I wanted to get some ideas on what you thought. You know, do you think that's like a waste of money? Like, I should just leave my stuff as is? I do love my beauty room. I love to see a lot of the stuff in it. You know, I like my picture frames and everything. That's another thing that I might have to, you know, get rid of some of my pictures and wall decor. I have to think differently about how I'm going to store my hats and things like that. So let me know down below, like, what do you think? Like, is it worth it? Is it something you'd be interested in seeing? Do you think you would still like my channel if it tilted more towards fashion than makeup? And whether I should just leave it alone and not waste that money. Because my house is my house. It's not like I'm renting the house and I can't really be putting holes in the walls. Like, I could drill straight through the wall if I wanted to. It's my house. So that's not really the point. But if I wanted to downsize, I want to be able to take that system with me. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you're new here, maybe I should have introduced myself in the beginning, but my name is Jackie, and I do haul videos, makeup tutorials, home decor, fashion inspo. If that's something you'd be interested, please join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and please give me your honest thoughts on it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.